Credit Score Victory, your guide to repair and growth. Embark on a journey to financial empowerment. This guide offers actionable steps to repair and grow your credit score. Take control of your financial future today. Understanding your credit score, what it is and why it matters. A credit score is a numerical summary of your creditworthiness, calculated based on your credit history. It's a three-digit number that represents how likely you are to repay borrowed money. Good credit unlocks better financial opportunities, such as favorable terms on loans, credit cards, and mortgages. Bad credit often makes it harder to rent an apartment, secure insurance, or even get a job, as some employers check credit history. Access. Unlock financial opportunities, including better loan terms and higher credit limits. A good credit score can open doors to investments and other financial products. Rates. Secure lower interest rates on loans and credit cards, saving you money over the life of the debt. Even a small difference in interest rate can result in significant savings. Approval. Increased chances of loan approval for mortgages, auto loans, and personal loans. Lenders view a good credit score as an indicator of responsible financial behavior, making them more likely to approve your application. Step 1. Obtain and review your credit reports for errors. The first crucial step in repairing and growing your credit score is to request your free credit reports from the three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You are entitled to one free credit report from each bureau annually. It's essential to review these reports carefully for any inaccuracies or discrepancies that could be negatively impacting your credit score. Check accuracy. Carefully ensure that all personal information, such as your name, address, and social security number, is correct. Verify the accuracy of account details, including credit limits, balances, and payment history. Any errors, no matter how small, should be noted for further investigation. Identify fraud. Be vigilant in looking for any suspicious activity or accounts that you don't recognize. This could be a sign of identity theft or fraudulent activity. Check for unauthorized credit inquiries or accounts opened in your name without your consent. Report any suspected fraud immediately to the credit bureaus and relevant financial institutions. Step 2. Dispute inaccurate information with credit bureaus. File disputes online or by mail with each credit bureau. Provide clear documentation to support your claim. Keep records of all correspondence. 1. Gather evidence. Collect all relevant documents that support your dispute, such as bank statements, payment confirmations, or court records. Organize your evidence clearly to present a strong case to the credit bureaus. Submit dispute. File your dispute online or send a written dispute letter to each credit bureau. Clearly state the inaccuracies and provide copies of your supporting documents. Ensure you include your full name, address, and social security number. 3. Follow-up. Credit bureaus typically have 30 to 45 days to investigate your dispute. Follow up with them regularly to check on the status of your case. If the inaccurate information is not corrected, consider further action or seeking legal advice. Step 3. Implement a debt management strategy. Effectively managing debt is crucial for improving your credit score and overall financial health. This involves several key steps, starting with prioritizing the repayment of high-interest debts to minimize long-term costs. You might also explore options like debt consolidation or balance transfers to simplify your payments. Creating and sticking to a detailed budget will help you track your income and expenses, ensuring you have the resources to tackle your debts. For personalized guidance, consider consulting with a qualified financial advisor who can offer tailored strategies. 1. Prioritize high-interest debt. Focus on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, such as credit cards. This strategy minimizes the amount you pay in interest over time. Consider using methods like the debt avalanche or debt snowball to accelerate your repayment. 2. Consolidate debt. Explore options to consolidate your debts, such as taking out a personal loan or transferring balances to a lower interest credit card. Debt consolidation simplifies your payments and can potentially lower your interest rate. 3. Create a budget. Develop a detailed budget to track your monthly income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back on spending and allocate more funds towards debt repayment. Use budgeting tools or apps to help you stay organized and monitor your progress. Step 4. The power of on-time payments. Payment history is a major factor in your credit score, significantly influencing your credit score. Consistent on-time payments demonstrate reliability to lenders, improving your creditworthiness. To ensure you never miss a deadline, set up automatic payments through your bank or directly with your creditors. Regularly monitor your accounts to confirm that payments are processed correctly. Set reminders. Use calendar alerts or budgeting apps to remind you of upcoming payment due dates. Pay on time. Make sure that you have sufficient funds available in your account to cover your payments. Track payments. Keep a record of your payments to verify they have been processed correctly and to avoid discrepancies. If you anticipate a late payment due to unforeseen circumstances, contact your creditors immediately. Explain your situation and request a payment arrangement to avoid negative impacts on your credit score. Document all communications and agreements with creditors for future reference. Step 5. Optimize your credit utilization ratio. Keep your credit utilization below 30%. The credit utilization ratio is the amount of credit you use divided by your total credit limit. A higher ratio indicates a greater reliance on credit, which can negatively impact your credit score. Lenders view lower credit utilization as a sign of responsible credit management. For example, if your credit card limit is $1,000, aim to keep your balance below $300. This demonstrates to lenders that you are not over-reliant on credit and can manage your finances effectively. Maintaining a balance close to $0 is even better, showing minimal credit usage. To improve your credit utilization ratio, consider making multiple payments throughout the month or increasing your credit limit without increasing your spending. Regularly monitoring your credit utilization can help you stay on track and avoid potential negative impacts on your credit score. Aim to consistently keep your credit utilization low to demonstrate responsible credit behavior. Step 6. Avoid unnecessary credit inquiries. Be mindful of the number of applications for new credit accounts. Each credit application results in a credit inquiry, and too many inquiries within a short period can negatively impact your credit score. Credit inquiries remain on your report for up to 2 years and can signal to lenders that you are seeking credit due to financial difficulties. To protect your credit score, only apply for new credit when you truly need it. Be selective. Carefully consider all available options before applying for credit. Review the terms and conditions, interest rates, fees, and benefits of each credit product. Only apply for those credit cards or loans that align with your financial needs and goals. Plan ahead. Assess your financial situation and determine whether new credit is truly necessary. Consider alternative options such as saving or budgeting before resorting to credit. Avoid impulsive credit applications driven by promotional offers or unnecessary spending. Research. Take time to thoroughly research and compare different credit card offers. Look beyond the introductory APR and rewards programs. Evaluate the long-term costs and benefits of each card to make an informed decision. Step 7. Set realistic credit score goals and track progress. Establish achievable goals for improving your credit score. Monitor your progress regularly using credit monitoring services and adjust your strategies as needed. Celebrate milestones along the way to stay motivated and reinforce positive habits. Set goals. Define specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals for your credit score improvement journey. Start with small, realistic targets and gradually increase the difficulty as you make progress. Monitor. Regularly check your credit reports and scores to track your progress and identify any potential issues. Utilize credit monitoring tools and services to receive alerts about changes to your credit profile. Celebrate, acknowledge, and reward yourself for reaching milestones and achieving your credit score goals. Positive reinforcement can help you stay committed to maintaining good credit habits over the long term. Celebrate success and maintain positive credit habits. A good credit score makes life easier. Continue to use credit wisely and responsibly. These habits are a key aspect to financial stability. 1. Stay disciplined. Continue to use credit responsibly by consistently paying bills on time and keeping credit utilization low. Avoid overspending and only borrow what you can comfortably repay. 2. Review regularly. Monitor your credit reports and scores regularly to identify any potential issues or errors. Take prompt action to address any inaccuracies or discrepancies to prevent negative impacts on your credit. 3. Adapt as needed. As your financial situation evolves, adjust your credit management strategies accordingly. Reassess your credit goals and make necessary adjustments to stay on track toward achieving your objectives.